Bunge ya kaunti ya Naikuru yambire kwarĩrĩria ndereti ya gwĩka ũgarũrũku riboti ya kwamũrwo kwa minista acio, MCA aingĩ makĩmenyita mbaru na angĩ makĩregana nayo.
I want to be very categorical that as a member of Lakeview Ward, as I represent my people in this assembly, I strongly oppose any amendments on the report of the Committee on Appointments.
Mr. Speaker, I want also to mention and remind them that within our vetting process, we even received some petitions from people, from the public. And these petitions, some of them were genuine, of course giving us the historical performance of some of the CCs.
Aingĩ mauma na woni wa atĩ arĩa maraikĩtio nja nĩ mabatie kũheo kanya ga gũtungata, kuona atĩ marĩ na ũgĩ wa kũigana kumana na gĩthomo kĩao.
If we give them a chance, it will also encourage our women that they can try. And if they can try, they can be given that chance to work. But when we want to be given a chance, we cannot judge you. I believe they will perform. And I know you also perform. I support the amendment.
As the members who comment today, Mr. Speaker, I just want them to know that we did our job as a committee of appointments, and we are going to bring very many debates here, build and motion, and encounter the same. With those few remarks, Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to support the majority, what the majority says.
Thutha mutheri riboti yo nĩ hĩtũkirio thutha wa mogarũrũku gwĩkwo na gũtema njĩra ya kwĩhĩtithio kwa minista acio nĩ mũcirithania wa Kumile Ndururu.
Serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Executive Committee member
and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya
and truly give my counsel and advice to the Governor of Nakuru County.
Governor Kinyanjui na mũnyinyi wake Dr. Eric Korir nĩ aririkanĩtie a minista acio atĩ nĩo makũrĩirwo maitho nĩ mũingĩ na wona maga kũruta wĩra no mangĩtũma thirikari yake ĩrutwo mahĩtia.
Equip our workforce to be able to deliver, because we'll be judged by delivery, and that delivery can only come through the work, the people we have employed, to be able to motivate them, to train them where necessary, and to make them feel that they're important for the delivery of our manifesto here in Nakuru.
Thutha wa kũgiginyana kũnene mbere ya kamĩtĩ ya kwamũrana o hamwe na bunge ya kaunti, a minista 10 arĩa magũkorwo makĩruta wĩra thirikari-inĩ ya Governor Kinyanjui nĩ marĩkirie kwĩhĩtithio, rĩu mũingĩ ũgĩtanya atĩ wĩra nĩ ũkũrutĩka. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV ndĩ gũkũ kaunti ya Naikuru, njĩtagwo Simon Gure.